So this is how you can get a PayPal credit or debit MasterCard. It's actually quite simple. Let's go ahead and open up the PayPal website. It's www.paypal-prepaid.com. So here, as you can see, there is information all about the PayPal cards. Spend Smart PayPal Prepaid. So here at the blue button, you can go ahead and tap on order your card, and then it's going to send you to another link. And here we are. If we scroll down, you can see that there's this blue text that says enter your information. Under that, you're going to want to type out your first name, your street address, zip code, email address, and all of these other questions here. So let's start with the first name. You're going to want to enter that out, and once you do, go ahead and go to the second name or the last name, and now type in your street address, your zip code, and email address. So here on the right, this is where your direct deposit is. Which of the following payments would you like to receive with direct deposit? You can either tap on paycheck, up to 2 days faster, tax refund, faster than a paper check, government benefits, up to 2 days faster, and none at this time. So go ahead and fill out whichever you want. And under here, PayPal prepaid balance transfers. Do you plan to use the PayPal balance transfer feature with your new prepaid card? So go ahead and select an answer. Yes, I do plan on using it. No, I do not. And I don't know anything about the feature. So once you fill all of that out, you can then go ahead and choose a card to your liking. Whether you like this normal blue one or this pinkish, violet, white, blue, and the lighter pink one. And then after you pick, you're going to want to tap on order a card, and then it's going to process your order, and then it will be sent to you in a few days or weeks. I don't really know how long, but the main point is that you will get your card and that you will receive it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.